What is HVAC ventilation imbalance? HVAC ventilation imbalance occurs when the airflow distribution from an HVAC system is unevenly distributed throughout a building or home. This can lead to a variety of problems, including discomfort, energy inefficiency, and health problems. Symptoms of HVAC ventilation imbalance: hot and cold spots. Some rooms may be too hot or too cold, while others are comfortable. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including the placement of air vents, the size and shape of the rooms, and the type of HVAC system. Increased energy bills. An unbalanced HVAC system can work harder than it needs to, which can lead to higher energy bills. This is because the system is constantly trying to compensate for the uneven airflow distribution. Poor indoor air quality. An unbalanced HVAC system can recirculate stale air, which can lead to a variety of health problems, including allergies, asthma, and respiratory infections. Causes of HVAC ventilation imbalance. There are a number of factors that can cause HVAC ventilation imbalance, including improperly installed or sized ducts. The ducts that carry air from the HVAC system to the vents need to be properly sized and installed to ensure even airflow distribution. If the ducts are too small, they will not be able to carry enough air, and if they are too large, the airflow will be uneven. Blocked or restricted vents. If vents are blocked or restricted, airflow will be uneven. This can be caused by debris, dust, or furniture blocking the vents. Incorrectly adjusted dampers. Dampers are valves that regulate the airflow from the HVAC system to the vents. If dampers are not adjusted correctly, airflow will be uneven. How to fix HVAC ventilation imbalance? There are a number of things that can be done to fix HVAC ventilation imbalance, including: have your HVAC system professionally balanced. This involves measuring the airflow at each vent and adjusting the dampers to ensure even distribution. Clean your ducts. Dirty ducts can restrict airflow and cause imbalance. Clean your ducts regularly to ensure they are in good condition. Adjust your vents. If you have individual vent controls, you can adjust them to direct more or less airflow to specific rooms. Preventing HVAC ventilation imbalance. The best way to prevent HVAC ventilation imbalance is to have your HVAC system professionally installed and serviced regularly. This will help to ensure that your system is properly sized, installed, and maintained. Also help to prevent imbalance by keeping your ducts clean regularly. Cleaning your ducts will help to ensure they are in good condition and not restricting airflow. Adjusting your vents. If you have individual vent controls, you can adjust them to direct more or less airflow to specific rooms. Opening and closing doors. Closing doors between rooms can help to keep the airflow more contained and prevent it from escaping to other parts of the house. Check description for more.